Hi, today we're going to learn about the wrap break bonds color shader. Let's first load up the objects we're using, the well and the flat plane. Now let's open the material editor. Let's open the list of available color shaders and let's choose the wrap break bonds color shader. Let's open the properties for it. As you can see, we have a couple of similar parameters for the wrap break shader that we used before, but this time we have extra colors we can use. The motor color is familiar. Let's change it to black. And then now we have 4 different colors which we can use for the bricks. As you can see in the preview window, the 4 colors are shown over there already. So let's make this to red, maybe even 1, and then let's change that one to blue. It will become more obvious what each of these colors do as we change the bond type down over here. But meanwhile, all the other parameters we've learned about, like scaling, allows you to change the size of the bricks in general. The width allows you to change the width, and the height allows you to change the height. The depth is also used in this case to describe almost like height parameter. So let's apply that to that, and let's apply that to our wall. We can also use the motor size, which we've already learned how to use in the previous tutorial, and the rough scale and rough amplitude are the same as they were in the previous tutorial. The fuzz factor is new, and that basically allows you to fuzz in the motor into the brick. So increasing that to 1 will make it really fuzzy, as you can see in preview window, and decreasing down to 0 will make there absolutely no fuzz, and you get pretty tight bonding between the motor and the bricks. So let's make the fuzz maybe 0.2. Now what we have for the bond variable over here is we can change it between a couple of different parameters. We can make it stack, English style, Flemish, common, and structure style. And each one creates a different pattern. Let's change the top view to see this more clearly what it looks like. Let's apply it to our flat plane we have over there. Let's try the structure one. What does that one look like? As you can see, you have some of the side colors mixed in with the other side color, and none of the end colors show up in this pattern. Whereas for the common one, I'm going to apply that one. You get a mix between the end colors over here along that row and the side colors on either side. Then you also choose Flemish and apply that. And it's a mix between all the different colors. You have some side colors over here mixed in with the end colors over there. So they're along different diagonals. Then for the English pattern, let's apply that. It's a bit more mixed in. You have the reds over here with the greens on the same line, and the yellow with the blues on the same line over there. And there's alternate lines going up and down. Then for the stack pattern, what you have is basically all of the side colors, green and red, and none of the end colors show up. And it's pretty much a square tile-like pattern, basic stack pattern. Then there's the row lock pattern, which is basically all of them combined again, a bit more of a rectangular and a bit more variation between the widths. As you can see, it's wide and skinny and wide and skinny, and alternates like that. So that's that for the wrap break bonds, and we'll learn more about the other color shaders in the following tutorials.